Hey guys, Mr. Haque back with another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing this 2 pound cooling pad for laptop. It's very cheap, hence the cheap packaging. And yeah, I'll also give you the review of it because I have been using it for a week, and you'll understand why I can put this back in as well, because it literally this is how it came. Alright, let me just show you outside of the box. Notebook cool pad, 3 or 2 color fan cooling system. So it's very generic. He doesn't even know if they have 2 or 3 fans, but this one comes with 3 fans. Okay, cooling system pulls heat away from the notebook and prevents the CPU from overheating. Okay, all right. Features: easy go, no power adapter necessary. It's powered to the USB port. Great ergonomic shape. True plug and play. Got spelling mistake there. Support low noise. Okay, I'll agree with that. It is very low noise. Acrylic, that's really bad thing. 3 or 2 fan size. Okay, fan speed 2800. So 2800 is very low compared to my laptop fan speed, which can hit 6400. Okay, notebook cool pad, blah blah blah. Same stuff there, same stuff on that side, same on that side, same at the top. Pretty much same at the back. Alright, so I'll show you what it looks like inside. That's literally how it came, and that's how it is. Okay, so let me just pull it out. So as you can see, it's very cheap. You can see why it's £2. It's literally made of plastic that you use in like design technology in school. Very flimsy plastic, but it's got these stops here. It's raised a bit, as you can see, but it's still not raised high enough. It should have been raised a lot more, because I'll tell you why. Also, this is the USB port, so this goes in that way and you can plug in something else that end, but it's a very bad design. I'll tell you why in a second. Okay, there's nothing else in that box. So now that we've done the unboxing side, let's do the review side. Alright, first thing first, the USB. Okay, it's good that it fits in, but then this side, it's got such a bad design that if you accidentally touch a tiny bit, you'll get electrocuted. I don't know what it is about it, but you just get electrocuted. I've noticed that a few times now. By accident, my hand would, my elbow would touch it or something while I'm gaming, and then bam, I get a tiny shock. Alright, so I will show you what it looks like in a second. I might be able to show you now. No. Okay, so this wire is flimsy as well. Look at that. It's very cheap though for £2. So you got 3 fans there. So this, because it's been acrylic, it's literally very bad on weight. As you can see, I could just push my finger down. It's not very good. So my laptop's quite heavy, and this says it supports up to 17.3 inches, which mine is 15.6. This 100% does not support it, because if I put it on top, the fans actually, these 2 fans on the end cut out because they're touching the fabric, because these aren't raised high enough. So these need to be, in a version 2.0 or whatever, these need to be taller, much taller, maybe double the size, so this doesn't touch the bottom. Even if it's on a flat desk, same thing is going to happen. It's just going to touch straight to the ground, and these 2 will be disabled. Only this one will be working, which is pointless then. Okay, so now I'll tell you, does it make a difference? Not really. Only place it makes a difference is on idle. My idle temperatures went from 50 in hot summer to 38, but once you're gaming, it doesn't make a single difference, because this is not good enough. It's too slow, first of all, and then these 2 fans are disabled because of that fact that is pushed down from all the weight. So yeah, one fan alone at low speed is 2800 RPM or something like that. It's not good enough. It doesn't make a difference at all. What I have tried though is this way. This makes a much more difference. So this will do the opposite of giving cool air upwards. Instead, it's pulling air downwards. So using it this way is a lot more better for me when using it under gaming loads. So what this will do is create a bit of air because all 3 fans will be working this time, because it's not touching anything at the bottom. The bottom, this is the blades, so it'll be touching if it's the other way around, the actual way, right? So what this does is it create a bit of a vacuum kind of thing underneath. It'll pull the hot air out, and then it'll just come out that way. But then yeah, you got the same issue about the acrylic again, and then it creates a bit of a crackle as well with the speakers when you have it like that. So that's why I don't like using it like that. But that's the better way to use it if you are going to buy the £2 cheap as fuck. This is pointless, but if you can get it for £2, why not? Because I was thinking of returning, but I thought for £2 it's not even worth it. Might as well just keep it, even just to look at. Alright, I'm going to plug this in for you now and show you what it looks like. What should I plug into? I'll plug into my laptop itself actually. We'll put it the right way around as well. Alright, here's my laptop. So my laptop's off at the moment, but you can get power through the USB. Let me just show you now. Put this on top. Where is the USB? There is the USB. It's the wrong way. This design guys. Nope, no power there. It's this bottom one that gives power, I think. Yeah, okay then. Don't know if that was meant to happen. There you go. Okay, so it has a nice blue LED. That's one thing I'll tell you about it. As you can hear, not that loud, but yeah, all 3 fans are running at the moment, and you can just barely feel any cold air coming out of that. So now I'll put this underneath here, and you can see that the fans will cut off. Oh no, never mind, that's heat shrink. Okay, as you can see, the weight of it just brings it down too much. Now only that middle fan is working. All the 2 have completely cut off. I'll show you what I mean now. So what's happening is, let me pull this forward a bit. What's happening is this, like that. So how that middle one's gone off is because it's touching the fabric, because it's too low. So that's what's happening on these side ones when the weight pushes down on it. And then this is the only one that's running. Same as that, like that basically. So it's pointless, so yeah. So I just use it this way, with the laptop on top. I'll show you that now. Wow. Like that. Oh, sorry. So all 3 fans are running now, and instead of cooling it, it's pulling hot air downwards, which is good, because then the normal laptop fans can just keep pushing out and get rid of it like that, I guess, which is better way. So yeah, anyways guys, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. See you guys next time.